In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts in Zoho Mail app. By the end, you'll be able to add another Zoho Mail account to your app and switch between them smoothly, which is perfect if you manage work and personal inboxes on the same device. Start by opening the Zoho Mail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are connected to the internet so the sign-in process works without delays. Once the app is open, look along the top toolbar for the Accounts option. This is where all your mail identities are managed. Tap Accounts to open the Account Management view. Next, select Add Account. This tells the app you want to bring in an additional Zoho Mail login alongside your current one. When you tap Add Account, a new window will open. This screen is dedicated to the sign-in process and guides you through securely connecting your other inbox. On this screen, tap the Sign In button. You'll be asked to enter the username and password for the new Zoho account you want to add. Type those credentials carefully to avoid any sign-in errors. If your account has extra security enabled, simply follow the on-screen prompts to verify. The app will walk you through anything it needs. After you confirm, the app will link that account and bring you back to your mailbox. You've now got multiple Zoho accounts stored in one place. Once the new account is added, switching between accounts is quick. One easy way is to tap the profile icon, usually found at the top corner of the screen. When you tap it, you'll see the list of accounts you've added. Choose the one you want, and your inbox view will update instantly to that account's emails, folders, and settings. If you prefer, you can also switch from the Accounts menu in the top toolbar. Open Accounts, select the account you want to view, and you are in. Both methods achieve the same result, so use whichever feels more natural. If you plan to add more than one additional account, just repeat the same add account process for each one. Keeping your credentials handy will save time, and it helps to recognize each account by its address or profile image, so you always know which inbox you are viewing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.